Levett Bucknall are a global company which provides services in quantity surveying, project management and asset management. We came together in 2007 as a conglomeration of three major practices in the regions of Oceania, which is Australia and New Zealand, Southeast Asia, USA, and ourselves in the UK and Europe. We seek to add value by a series of advisory services which we feel are fitting and proper for the 21st century in the marketplace. Sustainability is important for anybody that builds capital projects. We all know that the world's resources are finite, and we all know that the construction industry basically provides infrastructure for virtually everybody in the world. So therefore we're a major user of the world's resources. And we have, particularly as time's going on, we have to be very much aware of that particular situation. So firstly, the NHS, as a major capital user of capital buildings, needs to be very, very aware of the sustainability aspect, the carbon reduction aspect. Now, in addition to that, the NHS has got some very special problems in the UK and in the world around due to demographics, due to the economy and lack of availability. Consequently, sustainability normally means increased efficiency, and it's very, very important that the NHS concentrates very hard on those. The services that Levett Bucknall can provide and do provide to the National Health Service is based upon a knowledge of cost management and project management and delivering excellent value from what I might call the new build sector and the demands of the new build sector. The service is therefore, everything we do for the National Health is based upon these core services, and we must maintain strong capability in that area and will do so. There is, however, an additional series of services that we think become very relevant, which build upon that strong core. The first one is a more collaborative approach to the design and construction of new build. The main objective in efficiency improvement in any sector, but particularly the National Health Services, is to drive out waste and rework and thus bring better value. We believe and have got a lot of experience now and techniques of making collaborative deliver better value to the client. So that's very important, but that is implicit on the new build sector. The National Health, the main part of the National Health's asset base is existing buildings. And in this day when, as I say, there are economic pressures, there's customer choice coming in now, it is vital that the National Health, is able to improve the stock and make it more fit for purpose for the 21st century that we're in. We have a number of building surveyors who are really asset managers, and from that we think we can help deliver an improved existing building stock which is more fit for purpose for the 21st century. Energy performance certificates are the building construction industries and the property industries equivalent of the traffic light systems that are labelled on many of the appliances we have in our homes and our offices, and not dissimilar from the traffic light system that is in the car showroom showing the energy performance of the cars. They are created by an analysis of the existing building, by analysing the heat use and heat loss, and giving a grading between red for not very efficient and green for very efficient. And that is a useful thing for anybody to be able to see, just as they can with their appliances, whether the building they're going into, using and occupying is efficient. I think there's an important point that comes from it. By doing this basic service, we think we give a great opportunity to the National Health and anybody else to be able to then provide services that can improve the performance of that building and take it, shall we say, from red to a more efficient operational capacity. I believe that if we use the techniques that we have developed over the years, we can give our customers an edge. That's our job, to enable their business to have an edge over their competitors. And often that has been thought of in the past as just being cheaper and maybe quicker. But there is a very, and everybody talks about it, but it's important, a balance between quality and time and cost. That really, the sustainable part of that is the most important one, because if everything we do is more efficient, then it's more sustainable. And that is the thing that we're looking for. So I would say that the biggest thing that we would be able to do now is to be able to link capital cost and running costs in a dynamic and common sense kind of a way, and be able to deliver better value that way. Well, our core values based upon a very strong offering in project management, quantity surveying and asset management, and that will always be the case. And the added value that we wish to build upon that is by listening to customers, and in the new build sector by using the collaborative techniques that we've built up over the years to deliver better value. On the existing building, I think it is using our asset management base to improve and make sure that their stock is better suited for 21st century operation.